Good morning, children. Let's continue the chapter 9, Respiration in Organism. Now we'll discuss about breathing in other animals. Different organisms have different methods of breathing. In organisms like amoeba, there is a simple diffusion of gases through the body surface. No special organs are present like the lungs in human beings. Lungs are also present in many other animals like the cows, goats, dogs, frogs, lizards, snakes, birds, lions and elephants. But in many other organisms, the breathing organs are different. Let us study what happens in a cockroach, earthworm, frog and aquatic animals like fish. So first of all we see breathing in cockroach. In cockroach and other insects, oxygen is taken inside the body through small openings present on the side of the body. These openings are called spiracles. The openings are connected internally with a network of air tubes called trachea for gas exchange. Oxygen-rich air enters through spiracles into the tracheal tubes, diffuses into the body tissues and thus reaches every cell of the body. The carbon dioxide released by the cells in the same manner goes into the tracheal tubes and moves out through the spiracles. So children, you remember the organ through which cockroaches are breathed, that is spiracles. Then breathing in earthworms. Earthworms breathe through their skins. The skin of an earthworm is moist. Exchange of gases takes place through the moist skin. Then breathing in frog. Frogs breathe through lungs as well as the moist skin. So both they can use lungs and moist skin. On land, a frog breathes through its nostrils and the air finally reaches the lungs, as in human beings. But when in water, it breathes through its moist skin. Then breathing in fish. Children, all of you know, through gill, a fish can breathe. Fish and many other aquatic animals have a special organ called the gill to breathe underwater. Gills help them to use dissolved oxygen in water. Gills are projections of the skin and are well supplied with blood vessels for exchange of gases. So children, we know the breathing organs of cockroach, that is spiracles, earthworm, that is skin, frogs, that is both lungs and skin, and fish, that is gill. Okay. Then now we will see how plants respire or respiration in plants. Like animals, plants also respire. Oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is given out. Energy is also produced during the process. However, no specific organs for breathing are present. The exchange of gases takes place by the process of diffusion. So, plants can respire through diffusion. Okay? In plants, each part can respire independently of others. For example, exchange of gases in the leaves occurs independently of the exchange taking place in stems or roots. Different structures are involved in the diffusion of gases. These are stomata in the leaves and young stems, lenticles in all stems, and general surface in case of roots. Stomata. Children, you remember the singular of stomata is stoma. Are minute pores on the surface of leaves, means very tiny pores are there. Exchange of gases means oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place through the pores. In all stems, openings called lenticles are present. So children, you remember lenticles are present only on stems. Roots takes in oxygen from the air spaces present between the soil particles, and the oxygen diffuses through the general surface of the roots. So this is the chapter about respiration, both animals and plants. Children, you read properly. Okay? Thank you.